First of all, Walmart has been stepping it up. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. And if you're new here, welcome, and where have you been? Now, I have seen this video trending on YouTube and people have been finding some items that I'm like, wow, Walmart, really? So I decided to go to my local Walmart to see what I could find, and I picked up a couple things. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing I want to mention is this really cozy and warm scarf. It is like a tan color and it's really long, so you can kind of twist it around, style it how you want. This was $9. They also had a couple of scarves that look like blanket scarves, so they had some pretty good choices. The next thing I got was this cute beanie. I'm obsessed with any beanie that has a pom-pom. I don't know about you, but I love it. This beanie was $5. I was trying to find other colors, but they didn't have any in this particular style. They had other beanies without the pom-pom, all different colors as well. Super cute, super fun for the winter. Next up is this super soft and buttery sweater. I got it in a white color. This is from the brand Time and True, and it actually ran a little big. This is a size medium and it fits me like a large, extra large. I'm normally a large in sweaters, and also I don't like tight sweaters or tight jackets. I really like the relaxed fit, so I tend to size up for those kind of things. So the next things are some basics, and I'm actually wearing one right now. It is a white crew neck sweater. They also have a ton of different colors in this. They actually go with some joggers too. So I got myself some gray joggers and also some black joggers as well. To me, I love jogger season because you can just throw them on, lounge around the house, or if you need to run errands, you know, you can be warm and comfy. The joggers were $6 each. And another basic I got was this black long sleeve shirt from Time and True. These were $7 each as well. I love to use these long sleeve shirts if I want to layer up, or if I want to put this underneath a cute vest or jacket. Now I have one question for y'all. What particular brand do they look like? When I first saw these leggings, I'm like, what? These leggings are such a great dupe for Adidas. It's not even funny. These are also super comfy as well. $5. I was legit really excited to find these, and they actually come in gray too. So I'm probably going back and getting the gray pair. Now, one thing that I love to look at Walmart are their ugly sweaters. I didn't get an ugly sweater today, but I did get some really awesome Christmas leggings. I actually got 2 pairs. These were also $5, and I mean, come on, these are too adorable to pass up. And if you're like me and you love Christmas, why not get yourself a pair or 2 or 5? And also going with the Christmas theme, I got myself these really nice slipper socks. So adorable. They were $5, I believe. These were also too cute to pass up. I have a problem with passing up on anything cute, comfy, and cozy. And I couldn't help myself. I had to get these Jack Skellington slippers. If you like Jack Skellington too, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And last but not least, I got these shoes. They were $5. To me, they kind of remind me of Vans. They got some dog hair, so I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Now, I know these aren't very wintry, but honestly, for $5, I couldn't say no. And that, my friends, concludes today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my YouTube family. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!